Why do I feel like this is not the right screen? So in today's video, we are going to show you why you should feed your cats. Let me show you why. So this right here is a Lenovo laptop. To be specific, it's the ThinkPad X13 Gen 2. And why I tell you to feed your cats, because apparently the owner of this laptop, according to her, states that she did not feed her cat and the cat got upset and just bit her computer. And this is the repercussions for not feeding your cat. The impact happened right here. I guess the cat just bit this area and this is what happened. Feed your cats. I personally got 2 cats and I always feed them and I make sure they don't get upset. So we're gonna be replacing this screen. Let's get started. For us to replace this screen, just like any other screen, very first step here is to remove this bezel. Once this bezel is removed, we pop off the screen, add a new screen, put the bezel back, and we are done. Let's turn off this computer. Looks like this area is popped out anyways. Oh look, oh, okay. I have a plastic pick here, and then we're just gonna cut the adhesive and pop this bezel off, just like that. This bezel is very brittle, easily break, so I want to be careful there. Coming off really easy. Easy repair. There's no such thing as an easy repair. I always tell myself that, so don't ever underestimate any repairs, because a easy repair can easily turn into a hard repair. Wow. That's extremely easy. Thank you, Lenovo. I don't know why, but we've been doing a lot of Lenovo laptops lately. Does this screen pop off easily too? What? This is like a dream come true. Why is this so easy? Interesting. There it is. There is no way it's this easy. Okay, there's something wrong here. Okay, there it is. We found it. So this right here, from the factory, it's not this easy to remove. I mean, you can tell this has been already removed. This sticker has been removed. I am gonna make the assumption and say this screen has been replaced in the past. That's why it was very easy to remove the bezel. Screen is removed. I mean, honestly, it made my job easier, so I'm not complaining there. So this right here was removed. I just kind of set it back in place, and the same with this. I think this is what carries or holds the screen in place. But there's no adhesive really. Here is the new screen. Put this guy away for a bit and open this up. Why do I feel like this is not the right screen? Oh, come on, tell me it is. It's not the right screen. And this is why I'm not a big fan of ordering screens until we actually remove the screen and figure it out. Oh, what a shame. Well, that sucks. So now we have to order the screen, and I guess we'll pick up this video once the new screen comes again. This is the second time in like a few days, huh? I think we may have ordered the wrong screen. We did. And we're back. We got the new screen, the correct screen, hopefully this time around. So let's go ahead and pick up from where we left off. So let's get the new screen out. This is probably the second or third time this happened in the last maybe week or two, where we ended up having to order the wrong screen. Again, it's a part of the business. It happens. We just pray that the customer is patient enough sometimes, so we want to make sure that's okay. All right, let's bring back the screen. We did wait about maybe 6 business days for this screen to come in, and we're gonna go ahead and make sure it is the right one, hopefully. Fingers crossed, looks like it is. So let's go ahead and plug this screen and see what happens. Looks like it's a correct fit. If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like and leave us a comment down below, letting us know what you guys think of our content. So looks like it's a good fit. And moment of truth. I'm not sure if we disconnected the battery. Looks like we did. There's no power. Let me go ahead and open this up really quick and confirm if we did disconnect that battery or not. Battery is connected. So we never did disconnect the battery. Let's close this back up. I think it just needs to be charged. So this has been charging for about 5 minutes. We are thinking there's enough charge. We're gonna say Bismillah and turn it on. Bismillah. Looks like this is turning on. There's a light right there. Escape, and there it is. Perfect. We got it going. Let's go ahead and seal this up and call it a day. Let's add some adhesive. We're gonna keep the screen plugged in, so there's no need for us to unplug the battery. Just like that. One more strip. 2 strips of adhesive. I was told that the customer himself tried disassembling this. This is why in the very beginning of this video it was easy to open. Okay, that's good here. Let's bring back the bezel. We want to make sure behind the bezel there's no adhesive. that's sticking out. Customer did bend it right here at this area, this corner. You can kind of tell while they were trying to open it themselves. I think we did a really good job here. Let's turn it on one more time. And let's mark this as repaired and let's invoice the customer. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to like and drop us a comment down below for more content like this in the future. And we've got 2 more videos right here. Watch them if you guys want to. Peace.